Hi friends, this is Muralidhar Reddy, Spandana Institute of Commerce, Dilshuknagar, Hyderabad. Now I am explaining about the acquisition of business. Acquisition of business. Acquisition of business means if one of the new company purchased of the old sole trader business or old partnership business, such type of activity called as acquisition of business. Means if we are converting sole trading firm into the partnership company business or partnership business, if we are converting into the company limited, these activity name called as a acquisition of business. When one of the owners sole trader nanna, they are decided to expand their business nanna to get the company benefits. In that situation they are they will conduct nanna, so conversion of the sole trading business into the company means already existing sole trading business, if they are registered as a new company to take over the all running business of the sole trading business, that activity called as a acquisition. Or nanna, if running partnership firm, by the winding up of the running partnership firm nanna, so the business is to take over that business nanna, if we are registered new company with the register of the company nanna, so after that these all existing business of the partnership business, if taken over by that newly registered firm nanna, company nanna, that is called as a acquisition of business. But when sole trading business is purchased by another sole trader nanna, that is not a business acquisition activity, that is called as a business purchase only. Say as business purchase, don't say as acquisition of business. When one sole trader purchased by another sole trader, or if one partnership firm purchased by the another partnership firm nanna, partners nanna, another partnership firm nanna, that activity not called, don't say as a acquisition of business, that activity name called as a business purchase. Next one nanna, but one sole trading existing means running business of the sole trader or partnership is if converted as a company or purchased by the newly started company means presently they can register new company with the register of companies nanna, to take over the existing business of the sole trader and partnership. This activity name called as a acquisition of business. Here nanna example they are explained. Business acquisition take place when a sole trader concern or partnership firm converted the existing business into a giant stock company with a view of securing to itself the above advantages of the company nanna. So this activity name called as a acquisition of business. The company which acquires, here the company which acquires means which company we are registered to acquire the sole trading business, or which company we are registered to acquire the existing partnership business, that company name called as a what I call that is purchasing company or transferee company. And the seller who are selling their business, who means here which sole trader or which partners are they are selling their business to the company nanna, that selling organization name called as a vendor firm. Here wrongly in this matter nanna, they are printed as a vendor company, don't say as a vendor company. So vendor firm, say as a vendor firm. Why? Because so what winding up organization is the sole trader. Next, partnership business, they are handing over nanna their business to the company. Thus one who are purchasing of the other sole trader business or partnership business, their company name called as a purchasing company, or what I call that is transferee company, vendy company. Next one, who are selling their business to the other fellows. That firm name called as a vendor firm or selling firm nanna. Selling firm or purchaser firm nanna. Next, in generally, what I call to get the to without losing the goodwill of the existing firm, without losing of the existing firm nanna, they can start the new company. Means how much assets, how much liabilities with the how much business with the what I call running sole trader, with the running sole trader or with the running partnership business nanna, that goodwill, that assets, that liabilities taken over by the newly started company. Newly started company means goodwill of the old firm also indirectly transferring to the newly started company nanna. So that activity in that what I call that is benefit in the acquisition of the business. Next, there are actually accounting method they are explaining it here, Nana. There are two methods of accounting treatments in business acquisition. In the business acquisition, generally there are two accounting methods are there, Nana. They are, so first one, opening a new set of books. A new set of books means they are not going to maintain Nana old books of the old firm, sole trader or partnership. Total that old books in the vertical sole trader and partnership nanna, they are going to wind up. Also they kept newly set up books nanna to record all these purchase activities in the books of company nanna, who are purchasing another company business in that company nanna, in that company they can keep nanna new set of books to record the all business purchase activities nanna. Second one is continuing the same set of books. Continuing the same set of books means they are not going to keep newly purchased accounts books nanna. What existing books are held with the old form nanna, in that books by the doing some of the changes they can continue. What I call these two methods, accounting methods, are applicable in the acquisition of business nanna. First method is we can keep separate set of books nanna, newly set of books nanna. Okay, so second one is by the doing some of the changes we can continue nanna old accounts books of the sole trader or of the partnership business in the company, newly started company. These two methods are accounting methods in the acquisition of business. For your awareness, I am showing it here nanna. So acquisition of business, another name of this one nanna, if sole trading business or partnership business was purchased by company or purchase of business by company nanna. So or another name of this acquisition of business, conversion of sole trading business, sole trading nanna or partnership business nanna into the company limited. These three names are applicable to the acquisition of business. For what I call easily understood nanna, so I am showing here differences nanna. For example, it is the old name of the old firm name. It is the purchased by, who are purchasing this now, who are purchasing that old firm nanna. Next third one, name of this activity, nanna. So what I call name of the activity here I am showing nanna. First one, if sole trading business, what I call old sole trader business is purchased, we are converted as a partnership nanna. This activity name called as a business purchase. Don't say title as what I call acquisition of business. Only say as business purchase. Next one nanna. If sole trading business was purchased by company, newly purchased what I call newly started company nanna, so that name activity called as a acquisition of the business. Here sole trader purchased by partnership, say as business purchase. If sole trading business was purchased by company, say as acquisition of company. If partnership firm is converted as company or purchased by newly started company nana, that activity name called as the acquisition of business, say as acquisition of business. Sole trader by company, partnership by company, if purchased, that is the acquisition of business. Next one nana, if company limited, one of the existing running company was purchased by another newly started company, the activity name called as a absorption. Sorry, that is that activity name called as a internal reconstruction. by the winding up of old company, existing company limited, if purchased by newly started company, newly registered company nana, that is called as a internal reconstruction. If one of the existing company was purchased by another existing company, that activity name called as a absorption. If existing company was purchased by another existing company, so already this company also has the old business, this company has the old business, these old business of this one company purchased by another old company, such name called as a absorption. For example, if it is a old company, running company, if it was purchased by newly started company to acquire this business, one of the, if we are registered one new company nana, so that activity called as a what I call internal reconstruction. If one of the old company and another more one more old company, both are merged as a new company, that name called as a amalgamation. Old company purchased by old company, absorption. Old company purchased by one more newly started company, that is internal reconstruction. One of the old company purchased by one more old company, two or more old companies, these two are old companies, take as example, these two are both are old companies nana. If these both old companies are taken over by the another newly started company, that is called as a amalgamation. Are you clear? Next one, partnership. If one of the old partnership was purchased by another old partnership firm nana, so that activity name called as a business purchase. So that's why in the only two cases, first case is sole trading business purchased or converted as a new company. If old partnership firm converted as a new company, this activity name called as a acquisition of the business. In this acquisition of the business cases, what accounting treatment we are having in our subject, that is I am explaining it here nana. That methods are two methods, to do the what I call acquisition of the business activity nana, to maintain the acquisition of the business activity transactions nana. There are two different accounting methods they are given the what I call by our authors nana. First one, opening a new set of books. Next one, continuing the same set of books. Here what happening, they are not maintain old set of books into the new company nana. A new company was kept another newly purchased set of accounts books. The second method, without what I call removing the old set of books in the old company, by the doing some of the changes in that old books nana, they can continue that books also continue in the new accounts, new company books nana. That is internally. Actually, when business was purchased by the company of the sole trader or of the partnership, after completion of the final accounts, this was useful, it was useful. Next, when company was what I call sole trader business or partnership business, we are converted in the middle of the accounting period, in the middle of the what I call business year nana, this method is useful. If we are converted sole trader or partnership business into the company after completion of the final accounts, means at end of the financial year or end of the business year nana, accounting year nana, this method is useful. Next, if we are converted our sole trader or partnership into the company in the middle of the accounting year, in the middle of the what I call business year, financial year nana, this method is very useful. Now here some words they are given nana. Okay, so first one I am explaining about the accounting treatment in the books of vendor company. Vendor means which company was purchasing, so by the of the sole trader business or partnership business, that company name called as a vendor company, purchasee company, right? So accounting treatment, accounting treatment is the same as in the case of sole trading of firm, what I call sale of firm, or which will be details in the next nana so chapter and amalgamation and absorption. Actually, what entries we can pass in case of amalgamation, in case of absorption, in the new company books nanna, that same accounting entries here we can apply nanna. So first one, books of the purchasing company. Purchasing company means purchasing company means buyer, buyer who are take over business of the other firm, their company name called as a purchasing company. For example, X sole trading business was purchased by X company limited, and that X company limited called as a purchasing company. Next one, the purchasing company will pass the following journal entries in the books of the Y company. Means what journal entries are required in the books of purchasing company at the time of purchase of sole trader business or purchase of partnership business. First one we are required to pass for first one to record the